The wireless and USB adapter TL-WN727N provides high gain for maximum range and can reach speeds of up to 150 megabits per second to handle file transferring, HD video streaming, or online gaming without the lag. The WN727N also allows your PSP to connect to the web for a better online experience. The power saving mode automatically sets it to standby when it's not in use, saving your energy consumption. It also features a quick security setup button that allows you to set up a secure wireless connection without the hassle of configuration. TP-Link is the reliable choice, bringing you unbeatable value, now available at buy.com.